If you've been thinking about adding landscape lighting to your home but don't want to purchase everything in each separate piece and then put it all together, this kit makes the process really simple. This is the 8-pack RGBW low voltage landscape lighting kit, and one of the biggest advantages is that it comes with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box you'll find LED landscape spotlights, 100-watt low voltage transformer, 65 feet of UL listed landscape wire, wire connectors, and even 2 remote controls. That means you can get your lighting system installed without multiple trips to the hardware store. Installation is straightforward, especially if you've ever installed low voltage landscape lighting before. The included wire and connectors make it easy to position the lights where you want them, whether you're lighting up a walkway, highlighting trees, or showing off landscaping around your home. The lights themselves are bright and have a nice focused beam that's great for accent lighting. Each light head is adjustable, so it's easy to aim the beam exactly where you want it, whether you're highlighting shrubs, illuminating the front of your house, or creating uplighting for larger trees. You have plenty of flexibility. One feature that really makes this kit stand out is the color changing capability. In addition to a clean white light for everyday use, you can switch between multiple colors for holidays, parties, and special occasions. There are static colors, dynamic color changing modes, and adjustable brightness levels, so you completely change the look of your landscape with the press of a button. The kit also includes 2 remote controls, making it easy to change colors or lighting modes without walking out to the transformer every time. One remote has a really close range for individual lights, and the other one does all the lights at one time. Speaking of the transformer, it has several convenient operating modes built in. You can run the lights continuously, have them automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn using the built-in light sensor, or set timers so they automatically shut off after a few hours. It even remembers your last setting, so once you have everything the way you like it, you don't have to keep programming it. Since these lights are built for outdoor use, they're made with aluminum housings and carry an IP66 waterproof rating. That means they're designed to handle rain, snow, heat, and changing weather throughout the year. I also like that you have 2 mounting options. You can use the included ground stakes for traditional landscape lighting, or remove the stakes and mount the lights directly to a wall, deck, or eaves if that works better for your project. One quick installation tip. If you're planning to use the auto mode with the transformer, be careful where you place the transformer and its light sensor. The sensor needs to be able to detect natural daylight correctly, so you don't want any of the landscape lights to shine directly onto it. For example, if one of the spotlights is aimed at the transformer while it's operating in auto mode, the sensor can become confused and cause the lights to flash on and off repeatedly. As long as the light sensor is positioned away from direct illumination from the landscape lights, the automatic dusk to dawn operation works as intended. This is a really complete landscape lighting package. It's bright, easy to install, and offers a lot of color options, and includes everything needed to build a professional looking low voltage lighting system right out of the box. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor lighting with something that's both functional and fun, this kit is definitely worth checking out.